Now that JayzTwoCents retired his famous Skunkworks Caselab build, there's a new sheriff in town, so let me introduce you to Candyland. Hey guys, it's Tiago with Classical Technology. Thank you for joining me for another video. Today, I'm going to be taking you through a video of my Caselabs Candyland build. And yes, as I said in my introduction, this is going to be the new sheriff in town, replacing JayzTwoCents Skunkworks. As much as I love him in this channel, I think it's time for a new boss. So let's take a look and let's roll the footage.